No, ndigocia ni kwa rugitwo monumento.
Na nä tå ratanyä kiundu monumento
ayo nä tå ramwete attention nene muno
but at the end of the speech niona undu tå ngä ta very monumento.
Well, it was pretty much like a mini state of the nation. Rä maå ndå marä a tå ratanyaga maå ndå mamata
kana gå thima andå kana gå thima ngiraå
anga nä go tå thimone å rä a tå reciria nä auga sasa umesikia wakisema namna gani hiyo tumepeleka hivyo sasa wanasema nini
wanauliza ati umesema what
unajua sasa huyo wa Munyoro alikuwa anafikiria mimi nitataja vile alisema unajua sasa huyo wa Munyoro ni mtu ya porocho alifikiria ati mimi nitakuja niseme ile amesema anasahau me I am a man of integrity my friend mimi I know what I'm doing I'm not a madman. Sasa alikuwa amesema ati nitakuja niseme 2060 sababu yeye amesema sasa hiyo maneno bana sasa tumemsurprise. Najua sasa sipokuwa Olkalau hakuna kitu kingine yako naye. Sasa yote Olkalau hata kuna mikutano huko nasikia. Sasa tutapanga ingine kubwa.
Ni mutino uri ukumukora ni ati hindi ya gwitana giikaro kingi no kiage attention ta ira
kana ki attention afterwards andu mauga haya akumodu haya Kaya kumona ako kijenge manene. Sasa ngoja sasa watu waongee hivyo wazikuwa kwanza chukue hiyo patia wana habari. Sasa tukirudi sasa tutakuja na ile kiboko. Kuna watu watatembea. My friend. Anywho's
akiugire ni tugukianjiriria national conversation arugire ni next ni mweri ugu turaingira.
Yes. So that's when we start the national conversation.
On after Vision 2030. No nie nä ndä rona atä rä rona tå tanathiä na kå after post 2030.
Yes.
Twambe tå yå rie Vision 2030 nä
that
nä kä tå achieve
because we are just 3 years shy.
Yes.
Tondå nä ta gå thira tondå Vision 2030 the crafters were very visionary. Yes.
Rä u tå batiä kwamba kå yå ria atä rä rä maå ndå marä a macoreirwo na twatanyaga kå achieve by 2030 rä nä tå achieve te nä getha rä u debate yanjä rä rie hau agwo nä tå achieve te well and good mana tå ta achieve te rä
what do we do? Yes. Where did we go wrong before we start another vision altogether?
Yes.
So twaina MDGs tukigia 2030 kuri no ya Africa no hiyo nene nane hiyo ni asigiste onayo
ango ni asigiste
but we need to you know self evaluate.
Yes.
Twabe tuyoria tiri turi ME
ni wega thatha ure AE no na ME ni iriku
ME ni undu andu turathomithia mahinda-ini maya ri kwanjagia
BE means
below expectation.
Below
yes. Ni kuri AE
is
approaching expectation. Yes. Na ni kuri ME
is meeting expectations.
Yes. And of course nigo kiri reu EE. Yes.
Exceeding.
Yes. How to tikinyete yo
asa
we can clear this
how that's an
on kiri yari
ME
yatuke we are somewhere between BE and AE. Totigeta nige biro
totire biro
but approaching expectation. Yes.
Nearing approaching expectation.
Ni ale mwalimu wa Githweri andikaga tia
jitihada
ama nini zaidi tondå cinjika kamwe jikaze. Yes. Mũndũ a meeting expectation nĩ araihagerio remarks Okay, put a little effort in your spelling and be careful with your punctuation. Otherwise, keep up. Not a way, Biro. We don't want to pull your socks. No, you can't get jikaze.
Pull up your socks.
No, I get very poor. Yes.
Okay, 2030.
Yes.
We somehow
I think we are
approaching.
We could meet expectation. Yeah, the joke to Cornwall tumenya kana to ku exceed. Yes.
Na tumenya riu uria tugwika beyond 2030.
Because we have the capacity.
Gutiro tutangika na kuri gutiro tutangika tungiamua.
Yes. To thirikari ngituikare kurutira andu wira ri. Na ithio twirutire tondu niguo twikaga ri. We can meet.
Yes. No ngura mukenya wa kawaida ndari thina. Thina uko haha iguru.
Ithio twi sawa. Twi sawa.
Mukenya wa kawaida ndari thina.
Tukirokire.
Yes.
Yes.
Mukenya wa kawaida ekio muno.
Yuria muthoni haria. Na hana eta kala karutaga mbegu mundu ahanda.
Gaturu.
Hende
ya mahanda.
Very busy. So we are okay. You to have a beautiful environment, good policies, and a wonderful environment ya kuruta wira. Yes.
We are approaching expectation.
Yes.
Yes.
That's our take.
Like COVID-43.
Oh yes.